Hey everyone, I am back, this time with an antique. This is my first antique I've actually got to test myself. I always tested these with Dan Spiffy Neuman on YouTube. This time he sent me home with one of these after I gave him a visit and met up with him in Madison a couple weeks ago. So, he wanted me to try this one out and see what I think. This is an Emerson long nose. It's a shaded pole motor from the, I'd say he says 1910s to 1920s, which is very likely. I don't know exactly what year this is, but we're guessing. But yeah, it's a oil bath motor, shaded pole. It's an Emerson long nose because of the shape of the switch housing, long nose. And the switch is right here. It's a twist switch, so now the speeds are out of sequence than what I thought, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna start with low, which was 2 clicks. And low tends to give you what you would see in a modern residential as a medium. So this is low for this fan. And it is drawing just over 2 amps, 2.07 amps. Okay. Here's medium. And it is drawing, which this is already typically a high for residential. And it is drawing, I forgot to say it, 2.21 amps, 2.21 amps. All right. Here comes high. Low, high. This thing is insane. I almost think, me and Dan were talking the last time I've done an antique once, we were talking that this, I would think, easily compares and holds up the airflow of a gold line. But I want to go back and test it. We figured out the spot right by this amp. Oh yeah. Wow. Quite an air movement. And just for grins, I'm going to turn up the gold line. We're going to go, because, well, this one still gives a stronger air movement because of straight blades, typical residential blades. But let's go over to the gold line. Let's just compare. Oh yeah. This, I think that Emerson, oh, this easily compares to the gold line. It may, probably closer, this probably compares closer to an older gold line, like from the early 80s with the 0.9 amp motors. But turn down the gold line. But I just wanted to compare the two, and I'm gonna do spin down right now. And oh yeah, it's drawing, yeah, 0.284 amps on high. Forgot to give you I don't know if I gave the reading, but here's spin down. Yeah, bearings are a little bit rough, but it's an antique, and I gave it lots of oil. I gave it right amount of oil, so, and knowing oil's going to drip down the switch housing, I easily put a garbage bag in the garbage can right there and underneath the fan, and have the ladder aside so I can reach the switch. So this one has a long spin down. But one thing we were talking about was comparison to, oh, that is a quicker spin down. I'm sure the bearings need to still be worked in, but yeah. Okay, well, we were talking that I'm going to do the decade box, which is already set up. Now, I'm probably not going to get anything till I'm over 10, so I'm just going to do it real quick so I don't give power without it moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here comes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Jeez. It's not even starting. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. What's going on here? Is this plugged in even? It's cap, yeah. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 34. Let's just see. Let me try that again. Yeah, I missed where it started, but it was really high. So I'm going to try that again. I'm going to hit 30, hit both switches. Okay, since I got it going, I'm going to try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, started at 21. See, I already had the 20 and the 1, so it's just starting, and it is drawing 1.26 amps. $22. So I can't use any capacitor-based wall control on this thing. They're just, it's pointless. They're not going to start. It's not even going to get anything out of that 4-speed. I got 22, 1.35, 23, 1.42, 24, 1.50, 25, 1.59, 26, 1.68, 27, 1.77, 28, 1.85, 29, 1.95, 30, I'm at 2.04, so I'm getting close to its factory low. So that's 30. Whoa. 31, 2.02. I'm at 32.2.12. At 33, 2.21. 34, 2.30, which is its medium. 35, 2.4. 2.44. It's picking up. 8. 2.45. 526, 2.6. Okay. I gotta let it pick up speed. Gotta go slower. Okay, it's at leveled out at 2.7. Okay, I might. Let me just. So 2.83. I'm just a hair over. So really, if you want to be on the safe side with this, I'm at 36. Now I could go to 37 and I got 2.84. It's flopping between 8. Now watch this, I flip on the high. Okay, well, actually I'm pretty much, it's flopping around, so I'm pretty much right where I'm at, so all right. Okay, I'm going to stop it by hand, and the last, well, not last, we got the solid state, which is very, if I put this in my bedroom, which Dan has messaged me that I should try to do, I don't know if I want to do it or not, but I would have to get a solid state. Oh, let's get the solid state. Now it's set up for the solid state. Okay. Alright, it's at like 230 on the control, and I'm drawing 0.67 amps. That's stalled. I'm at 2 o'clock, 0.8. Alright. Alright. I am at 1.34. I'm at literally almost like 12:30, and it's just going. I just got it to start. I was warned that these things get touchy, and I'm a bit nervous running this antique on the rig myself, but he wanted me to try it. But I'm a little nervous, and so I may have gone a little fast with the decade because I didn't want to keep power applied while it wasn't moving. So I was a little nervous. I'm going to go right to noon, 1.69. As you can see, it's right there. Okay. 11 o'clock. Okay, it's dropping. Okay. I'm at 10 o'clock right now. 2.21. So I'm like at high medium, what I would see as high medium. And I noticed there is a blade height issue, but I'm afraid to even bend these blade brackets. I will let Dan do it since he's the one that picked this thing up, and I don't want to wreck an antique. I would let him when he comes to see me next. Alright, I'm gonna go up to 930, 2.43. And I'm just going to bring it right to high. All right. I would. Okay. Well, now there's one last thing I gotta do. Since that was the solid state, since it was under the 2.83, it was like 2.7 something like with the solid state. So of course solid state high is always a little under. One last test is what's called the 0 to high. We're going to see how high up it jumps. Jumps way up to like over 3 amps. And drops back down to 2.83 and flops between 2.83 and 2.84. It's flopping around. So, but that is the Emerson long nose. And I hope you enjoy. Oh, this antique. This is my first antique I tested. So, that's about it. So, I'll see what I do with this in the future. But until next time, I will see ya. Thanks for watching.